Medyo kailangan lang ng pressure pag pinul, no? Alright. Looking for easy to install tempered glass? What's up guys? Welcome to Reviews by Ronan. This is our easy to install tempered glass from Wiskin. So this is exactly for 15 Pro Max. And let's check it. Wow. So meron na siyang box. I saw other videos na dito mo ilalagay yung phone mo. So let's just check what's inside. Kasi medyo nakakalito. So this is the auto dust removal. Yan. Instruction is fix the screen protector by alignment positioning holes. Then put mobile phone into the box and clean phone screen. Close the box. Pull the release film out of the box. Don't touch the screen protector before pulling off the release film. Wait 20 seconds. The screen protector will automatically absorption. Then press and slide your finger along the mark. Last step, tear off the top protective film. So, they do have the QR code pa kapag gusto mo ng soft copy on how to install it. So, I believe yan, dalawa. So, dalawa nga. So, you will be having two sets of tempered glass. So, once na nabasag na yung kakapalit mo lang, at least may other spare ka pa. So, wag mo itatapon tong box. And sabi dun sa instruction, i-check daw yung holes para sumakto dito sa box. So, we also have ito para ma-less yung bubbles. So, once na makabit mo na yung tempered glass, ipupush mo na siya nito. So, this is the installation tools. How do I open this? So, you have to tear it. Oh, I see. So, may cleaning tools siya dito. So, again, this is two sets. Tabi lang natin yung isa para the next time around, may magagamit pa tayo. So, you have the cloth here, the clean cloth. And you have the wet wipes. And you have the dust absorber. So, magte-try tayo mag-experiment. Of course, we need to have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, yun. May grab pa si wife, oh. Yan. So, try natin to palitan tempered glass since marami na siyang basag here and here. Hindi nga dito. Buti cover lang ito. Right. But first, this one. Medyo nakakalito lang to, no? Yan. So, sabi, merong mga holes here na pa-follow natin dito. Yan. As you can see, para lang siyang ano, no? Lego ng kids or ng puzzle ng kids. Kailangan masakto natin yung holes. Yan. May mahabang line dito. So, I guess, yan. Diyan magsa-start. Okay. So, yan. This is perfect. And then, top. So, this is the top. You have to place your phone here. May arrow naman. Huwag lang tumawag tong grab. So, walang post to guys, no? So, talagang ano to, full video ng tutorial on how to install it. And then, sabi, i-clean natin muna yung phone. Right, so clean muna natin. Kasi may current na tempered glass pa si iPhone natin here. Careful lang guys kasi makati sa balat itong tempered glass, yung mga glass pag nag-dust, medyo itchy siya sa skin. And then let's clean it with wet wipes first before the clean cloth. This is the wet wipes. Naku, napunit ko na. Yan. So, talagang walang edit to, guys. Siguro magka-cut-cut lang ako pag may dull time. Pero walang edit to para makita nyo na full effort itong ginagawa natin. So, since this is an easy to install, kasi yung mga previous natin na tempered glass, ang hirap nun once na magbabol na kailangan medyo may experience ka on how to use it or minsan nasasayangan pa. Kasi pag nawawala na yung dikit, nagkakaroon na ng mga hairs and mga dust. So, kumakapit siya sa tempered glass. At least ito, covered na and mas mabilis. And I guess that's okay. And then, let's use the tablecloth. Yan. So, sabi, once you done clean it, close the box. I'm sorry. So, we will close this box. And for the record, we will pull this off and wait for 20 seconds. So, try na natin. Medyo kailangan lang ng pressure pag pinul, no? Alright. Wow, sobrang dali lang. And then you have to press here and wait for 20 seconds. Yan, nakikita ko na dito na na-cover up na lahat. So, there are bubbles lang kung mapapansin nyo yan. So, I guess ito yung use nito. This one para mamaya. Okay, 10 seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, may mga hindi pa siya na-absorb, no? Dito, sa area na to. Yan. Ako napipindot na natin. So, once we're done with that, open natin and then gamitin na natin ito. So, before mo i-push, so gamitin mo natin ito para mawala yung bubbles. Yan. Pwede na ako magbukas ng store. Tempered glass service. So, sobrang dali niya actually. Nagkakabit kasi ako nito sa buong family ng tempered glass na yung ordinary, yung mga old tempered glass. Yan. Medyo na-master ko na yun eh. So, ito, this is new for me and mas madali, I can say. Kasi nga, naka-top na siya and nakasara talaga siya. Ang problem dun sa traditional is napapasukan nga siya ng dust and small hairs. Like us, may mga dogs kami. So, marami kaming hairs na nalalagay kapag hindi siya dumikit agad. So, we are just removing the bubble sa sides. Kaya ginagamitan natin ito. Nakita ko pa kasi siya. So, i-peel off na natin yung pinaka-glass. Wow. Sobrang galing. This is so cool. Yan, tingnan natin kung may bubbles. So, may mga bubbles lang siya maliliit. I guess hindi ko siya nalinis masyado. And, yan, pupush lang natin. Oh, so, para na siyang mirror. Galing. I do recommend this one kasi lalo na sa mga hindi marunong. So, you just follow the steps and matatapos mo na siya. Like this one, medyo mahirap to no kapag traditional. Pero dito, pantay lahat. Ang galing, magaling, magaling. So if you have any question, let me know and I'll answer it. That's all for today.